Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. GTA 5 Online, name your organization bunker. Well, right now, I'm gonna show you how to name your organization bunker. But the problem is, you cannot name your organization bunker. As you can see right now, I'm gonna click on the renovate, and as you can see, there's no change name anything because there is none in the first place. So if you want to change your organization name, just go to Destiny, then go click on your tower, then go to your organization name and click on the organization name. Then you will be able to change your organization name. So right now I'm gonna change it to dog. So here you'll be able to choose which color do you want and what font do you want your organization name to be. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.